So hello friend, once again welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So previously we have covered Azure repos in depth. We have seen all the definition and hands-on lab on Azure repos. Now we will move ahead and we will see some other topics. Before moving ahead, I would request you to like and subscribe my channel so that you can support me for creating new contents. So first we will see our agenda of today. We will see what is CI/CD. Then we will see Azure Pipelines overview, then hands-on Azure Pipelines. At last, we will see pipeline YAML file and Hello World pipeline. Moving ahead. So first we will see what is CI/CD. So CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment or Continuous Delivery. It is a set of software development practices and tools that aim to automate and streamline the process of building, testing, and deploying software applications. CI/CD is a crucial part of modern software development and is used to ensure that code changes can be quickly and reliably delivered to production environments. Now we will see Azure Pipelines. Azure Pipelines automatically builds and tests code projects to make them available to others. It works with just about any language or project type. Azure Pipelines combines continuous integration CI and continuous delivery CD to test and build your code and ship it to any target. Now we will see hands-on Azure pipelines. So guys, I am in my Azure DevOps in Lab Training 01 and Project 1. If you don't know how we are creating this project, so please refer my previous video. You will get all things. So previously we have created one repository. Now we will create another repository. So I have created a new repository, my first repo, and in this repository I don't have any files right of now. It is an empty repository. So our main focus on this video will be on Azure pipelines. So we can create Azure pipelines by two methods. Either we can create on click on setup build repositories, or we can go to pipelines, and in this section we can create on create pipeline. Now first it is asking that where is your code. So you can choose any version control system. In our case we are having our repo in Azure repos git. We will click on this. We will select our repository. Now it is saying configure your pipeline, and it is giving us two options, starter pipeline or existing Azure pipeline. So as of now we don't have any existing pipeline YAML file in our repo, so we will use starter pipeline. So this is our YAML file. So guys, if you are not familiar with YAML files, so YAML files are those files which are a written code which helps us to run your pipeline, or you build your pipeline and do every job that you want to do in your pipeline. So YAML file helps in that. So YAML file is very easy language. It is very easy and human readable language. You can easily understand. So first it is saying trigger. So what does trigger means? Okay. So trigger represent that thing where our code is in the branch. Like, let me show you. Like in Azure repos, we are fetching our code of main branch. So it is just saying trigger the main branch. So it is highlighting our branch. You can see here it is written also branch name. Then pool. So what is pool? Pool is like a agent or a virtual machine in which our code will build. You can see pool is where the job will run, it is saying also. So which virtual machine image we are using? We are using Ubuntu latest. You can use Windows also. Let me try Windows. So this virtual machine is working behind the scene on Azure backbone. We can't access directly, but we can access it with help of this pipeline. We will see it later how we can access this virtual machine and get all the information about our build code. So as of now, we are using Microsoft hosted agents or virtual machines. We are not using our own hosted agent, but we can use our own self-hosted agents also. We will see in later videos. So we can see there is a step is described. So the definition is a step list of steps to run this job. So first job we are doing is we are calling a script, a bash script, and in script we are writing echo hello world. That means this hello world would be print in our terminal. And display name, the name of this job itself is run a one script. Okay. So then there is second script we are also running. Add another task to build, test and deploy our project. Echo see this and display name run a multi-line script. Okay. So we are doing two job performing two tasks. First is to print hello world and second is to print this, and the name of this job is run a one line script and run a multi-line script. You will get more clarity when I will run this pipeline. Just we have to click on run. We can give a commit message and just save and run. So it is saying it is creating pipeline. We should wait a while and see. So it is giving us all the metadata. This is the commit ID and the commit message. This is our repository name. So summary is that this is pipeline is triggered or run by Aman Kumar. Time it is taking 17 seconds and further it is taking. Now we can see our job is completed. It is showing a green tick and the status is success. So we can click on this and see the result. So we can see the jobs. If we click on first job, so it is showing police Azure pipelines, images, Windows latest, and agent is hosted agent. So it is just saying that Microsoft Azure is using its own agent to build our job. Second, initialize job. It is just acquiring some metadata. We don't have to go into this depth. So first job it is doing the checking out my repository into its local machine, like the thing we have done previously, that we are cloning our remote repo to local machine. That thing it is doing by automation. It is checking out our remote repo or server repo to its local machine build agent. We can see also git version, it is checking the git version, then git remote add or agent, then everything it is doing behind the scene. So after cloning our repo, first job it is running, the job I mentioned you earlier. Just let me show you the YAML file once again. Click on edit and YAML file will be opened. So the first job that I have shown you, the display name, the job name was run a one line script. So you can see the job name is run a one line script, same thing, and it is just running the job. What was the job? Job was to print the hello world. So you can see script contains, it is a type of shell script and it is printing hello world. Now we can move ahead to second job. We can see run a multi-line script. See, run a multi-line script, and the job was to print this thing. So this thing it should print. See, same thing. So guys, it was a simple hello world pipeline. Now we will see further things in later video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.